For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a garden maintenance business can be a rewarding path, especially with the increasing interest in sustainability, landscaping, and green spaces. Whether it's mowing lawns, pruning hedges, or maintaining flower beds, homeowners and commercial properties often need consistent garden care. Fortunately, with the help of free AI tools, you can streamline every step of the process, from planning and marketing to customer service and operations. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Step 1. Define your services and niche. Before launching your business, you need to define what services you'll offer. Will you focus on residential or commercial properties? Will your offerings include lawn mowing, fertilizing, hedge trimming, pest control, or seasonal cleanups? To clarify your business model, use ChatGPT, free version available at chat.openai.com. It can help you brainstorm and refine ideas. Prompt to use. List popular garden maintenance services and suggest how to structure a business that specializes in residential lawn care, seasonal cleanups, and hedge trimming. ChatGPT will generate a list of possible services and even suggest how to package them for customers. Use this to build a clear service list that sets expectations. Step 2. Create a business plan using AI. A business plan is essential for success. It helps outline your goals, startup costs, marketing strategies, and revenue projections. Use ChatGPT to draft your plan. Prompt to use. Create a simple business plan for a small garden maintenance company serving suburban homeowners, with services including lawn mowing, hedge trimming, and planting. You can also use Notion AI, free tier available, to organize your plan with templates. Use Notion's AI writing assistant to fill in executive summaries, financial forecasts, and operational plans. Step 3. Name your business and design a logo. Your business name should be memorable and relevant to garden services. You can use Namelix, https://namelix.com, a free AI tool that suggests business names based on your keywords. Prompt example. Suggest business names for a garden maintenance service that emphasizes eco-friendliness and reliability. Once you've got a name, use Canva's AI logo generator, available on their free plan, to design a logo. Enter your business name, select gardening as your industry, and Canva will offer professional-looking logos you can customize. Step 4. Register your business and get basic tools. Register your business with local authorities to ensure you're legally allowed to operate. This varies by location, but usually involves getting a business license and possibly insurance. In terms of physical tools, start lean. You'll need a mower, trimmers, gloves, rakes, and a vehicle. Look for deals on used equipment to keep startup costs low. Use ChatGPT to create a startup checklist. Prompt to use. Create a checklist of essential tools and supplies needed to start a garden maintenance business on a budget. Step 5. Set pricing with the help of AI. Pricing your services properly is crucial. Underpricing leads to losses and overpricing drives away clients. Use ChatGPT to compare pricing models. Prompt example. Suggest pricing strategies and rate structures for a garden maintenance business. Include weekly, bi-weekly, and one-time service options. Combine this with research on local competitors to set a competitive price list. Step 6. Build a marketing plan with free AI tools. Marketing is essential to attract clients. Use ChatGPT to develop a basic marketing strategy. Prompt to use. Create a marketing plan for a small gardening business that includes online, offline, and referral-based marketing strategies. Use Canva to create flyers, Instagram posts, and service menus. Canva's free templates and AI design suggestions can generate polished visuals to promote your brand. Additionally, leverage Google's free AI-powered tool, Google Bard, to help write your website content, add copy, and email promotions. Use this prompt in Bard or ChatGPT. Write a 250-word promotional message for a garden maintenance business offering a seasonal cleanup discount for first-time customers. Step 7. Build a simple website and online presence. Even a one-page website can make your business look professional. Use free website builders like Wix or Google Sites, both of which offer AI-generated templates tailored to your industry. Prompt to use in Wix AI. Build a homepage for a garden maintenance business called Green Touch Gardens with sections for services, contact info, and testimonials. Set up a Google business profile so customers can find you through Google Maps. Use ChatGPT to help write the business description and service categories. Step 8. Create a scheduling and communication system. Use free tools like Calendly for appointment booking and WhatsApp Business for customer communication. Calendly uses AI to suggest time slots and automate reminders. Also, use ChatGPT to create message templates for customer inquiries, quotes, and follow-ups. Prompt to use. Write a professional message template to respond to a new customer inquiry for lawn care services. Use Google Sheets or Notion to track customer jobs, payments, and schedules. Step 9. Start promoting locally. Begin promoting your business in your local area. Print flyers using Canva designs and distribute them in neighborhoods, hardware stores, and garden centers. Offer referral bonuses to early customers. Use ChatGPT to draft your flyer text. Prompt example. Write catchy flyer content for a garden maintenance service offering 15% off for first-time customers and discounts for referrals. Post regularly on local Facebook groups and neighborhood platforms like Nextdoor. Step 10. Ask for reviews and improve continuously. Ask happy customers to leave reviews on Google and Facebook. Positive reviews build trust and lead to more business. Use ChatGPT to draft a polite review request. Prompt to use. Write a friendly message asking a satisfied customer to leave a review on Google for my garden maintenance business. Track which services are most popular and where your leads are coming from. Use this data to improve your offerings and marketing. Conclusion. Starting a garden maintenance business is easier and more affordable than ever thanks to free AI tools that help you plan, market, and operate professionally from day one. With smart use of ChatGPT, Canva, Wix, Notion, Calendly, and Google's AI tools, you can build a brand that attracts customers and grows sustainably. Begin with a clear plan, launch with confidence, and let technology handle the heavy lifting so you can focus on delivering quality service. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.